We know success relies on highly skilled technicians, which is why we prepare every team member for the toughest installation tasks. Our supervisors don't just share expertise, they instill excellence, training top-class electricians and mechanics to meet the highest standards in the industry. With a focus on quality, timeliness, and safety, we execute global projects, assigning only the best specialists, all trained at Epcido Academy. Our professionals tackle each task with passion and confidence, backed by the deep hands-on knowledge of our experienced industry experts. With Epcido Academy's innovative program and our skilled experts, you can focus on your priorities while we secure your project success. Epcido Academy, your projects in expert hands.